Conditional, it's условное предложение in Russian. What is условное предложение? You have to tell one condition, одно условие, and then the result of this condition. So, condition plus result. You may change the position. So first you will tell the result and then your condition. It's okay to do both ways. We have 4 conditionals. 0, first, these are real conditionals. And second and third, these are unreal conditionals. So when you tell about unreal situations, you tell бы, right? Если бы я сдал экзамен, если бы я пошел, если бы бла-бла-бла. So бы in English is? If. No, бы. No. Would. In English, be it's would. So in second and third conditional, you will have to use would, okay? But remember that you do not use will with if. Do not ever, in conditional sentences, place will after if. So if you say, if you will heat water, it's incorrect. If you won't do your homework, if everyone will came, it's incorrect. Do not do that, okay? Never ever use will with if. And that means that, what is the past form of will? Would, you're right. So it means you will not use will and would with if part, okay? So in condition part, you are not using neither will nor would, okay? Remember that. So now we'll talk about each conditional separately. So the first one, 0, is about facts. You are talking about real present. It always happens or always doesn't happen. The structure is if plus present simple plus present simple. It's easy, right? You're talking about facts. When you talk about facts, you use always present simple. For example, if you heat water, it boils. Can you translate this sentence? No. Если вы not кипятите, heat. Если вы нагреете воду, она закипит. Yes, you're right. It's fact. It always happens. That's why you have to use present simple plus present simple. Yes, what do you have to remember about present simple? What changes with the verb in present simple tense? Good job, you're right. So you have to add s with he, she, it. You're right, great. When we talk about negative form, what do you add to the negative form? Don't or doesn't. Yes, you're right. Let's give one example about fact in negative form. If you don't sleep, you get tired or you are tired. When you want to tell that you are somewhere or you're somewhat, then you have to use to be, right? What is to be form in present tense? M is are. Yes, you're right. That means you'll tell like, if she doesn't sleep, she is tired. If I don't sleep, I am tired. And the same with you with a. You add are. So it's clear, right? It's the easiest conditional. Then, conditional first. Possible actions. What are possible actions? Возможные действия. You are talking about real present or real future. It may happen or may not happen. The structure is if plus present simple plus future simple. Why future? Because it may happen or may not happen. For example, read the example. If you don't do your homework, Miss Amina will punish you. So it's real present or real future. It will happen, okay? So the first part, in conditional part, you use what? Present simple. In result part, you use future simple, will. Do you have any questions about first conditional? It's easy. Then let's talk about unreal conditionals. What are unreal? Невозможное, right? It will not ever happen, or it hadn't happened before. So second conditional, impossible actions, unreal present or unreal future. The structure is if plus past simple plus would and bare infinitive. Remember, guys, after would, you always use bare infinitive. What is bare infinitive? Голый глагол, right? Even when you talk about like it's kind of present perfect, right? Have plus verb 3 is present perfect. And you cannot write like would has, would had, would having. It's incorrect. After would, you always use bare infinitive. Remember that. Then, so the structure again. If plus past simple plus would and bare infinitive. It's verb 1 in other words. Can you read the example? We would play mafia if everyone came. Where is the result part? Result part. Result. We would play mafia. What did I use here? Would plus bare infinitive. Okay. Then conditional part. If everyone came, what did I use here? Just past simple, not just past. Yes, past simple, specify. Then it's unreal present. We are talking about right now, ongoing action. Like if everyone was here, we would play mafia. Если бы все были здесь, мы бы играли в мафию. I'm talking about unreal present. Yeah. Then, do you have any questions? It's kind of hard. Second conditional. Not that hard? Okay. Then can you give me one more example for unreal present? I would play groceries on my phone if my aunt gave me them. If my aunt gave me them, I would play. Yeah, good job. Okay, great. Then let's talk about the last conditional, impossible actions, but now we're talking about past. That something had or hadn't happened before in our past and real past. So the structure is if plus past perfect, then would, have, and past participle. In other words, you may say like present perfect after would. And the example, if we had studied harder, we would have passed the exams. Can you translate the sentence? Усерднее. Мы бы прошли тест. You're right. What is the conditional part? Conditional, a condition part. If we had studied harder, and which tense did I use here? Past perfect. Had and verb 3 or ed. Okay, then, and it's the result part. Would have passed. Would plus have plus verb past participle. Yes. So do you have any questions about conditionals? No? You sure? Okay then. Open your exercise.